Greetings, Your Excellencies, esteemed dignitaries and invited guests, and welcome to the official National Day ceremony of Expo 2020 Dubai. This morning we gather to officially honor the Republic of Slovenia and their participation in this exceptional global event. Please rise for the flag raisings and national anthems of the United Arab Emirates and the Republic of Slovenia. It is my esteemed honor to introduce and welcome His Excellency Sheikh Nahyan bin Mubarak Al Nahyan for his opening remarks.
Your Excellency, Zdravko Počivalšek, Deputy Prime Minister, Minister of Economic Development and Technology of the Republic of Slovenia. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to be with you today to celebrate the National Day of the Republic of Slovenia. I warmly welcome you to Dubai and the United Arab Emirates. We are pleased to have Slovenia as an active and committed and a participant in the Expo 2020 Dubai with one of the most visually attractive pavilions on site. We are proud to host this World Expo during exceptional times, having recently accomplished significant milestones, began our journey towards our beloved nation's centennial, and steadfastly faced the challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic, along with the rest of the world, of course. We find that we have grown stronger and more resilient than ever before as a result of our latest experiences. We believe as firmly as ever that what unites humanity far outweighs what divides it. And Expo 2020 Dubai is a true testament to this notion. Our platform seeks to unite people from all walks of life under the ambitious goal of creating a better and more sustainable future for everyone. And this goal is closer to being realized thanks to the contributions of our international participants and partners, designed based on the two elements that identify Slovenia, which are water and wood, and under the exhibition theme, Green Experience, Slovenia's pavilion pays tribute to the country's lush forests and natural beauty, which will appeal to the senses of its visitors. The pavilion sheds light on Slovenia's rich and diverse cultural, natural legacy and promotes the country's innovation and technological breakthroughs, its green policies and knowledge-based economy, as well as its outstanding sustainable and responsible tourism offering to our global audience here. As such, I would like to express our appreciation to Your Excellency, Deputy Prime Minister, and the Commissioner General, Mr. Matic Boric, for Slovenia's superb participation in this Expo 2020 Dubai. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, we are delighted to sharing thriving bilateral relations with Slovenia, which have grown exponentially since their establishment 30 years ago. The UAE is proud to be Slovenia's second largest trading partner in the Gulf region, with strong cooperation on the economic and technological fronts. We are also confident that Slovenia's best practices in the area of green strategies will be a great inspiration for us and our Expo participant and partner and visitors, and look forward to exploring opportunities for collaboration and knowledge exchange in this regard, as well as in other areas of mutual interest such as artificial intelligence, information technology, and tourism. I welcome you again, sir, Your Excellency, Deputy Prime Minister, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, to this unique global experience and significant platform for our collective contribution towards the making of a better world for everybody. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Now please join me in welcoming this morning's honoree from the Republic of Slovenia, Deputy Prime Minister Zdravko Počivalšek, for his remarks.
Drage Slovenke, dragi Slovenci. His Highness Sheikh Nahjan bin Mubarak Al Nahyan, United Arab Emirates Minister of Tolerance, Coexistence and Commissioner General of Expo 2020 Dubai. Her Excellency Hessa bint Essa Buhmait, Minister of Community Development, dear colleague Dr. Anže Logar, Minister for Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Slovenia, His Excellency Mr. Otto Pungartnik, Ambassador of the Republic of Slovenia to United Arab Emirates, and Commissioner General Mr. Matic Volk, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's my great pleasure and honor to address you on this wonderful day as we celebrate Slovenian National Day here at Expo 2020. Slovenia is a young and economically strong country. As Robert Murdoch said, the world is changing very fast. The big will no longer beat the small. The fast will beat the slow. And knowing this, the future lies in integrating creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Both creativity and innovation enable countries to better capitalize opportunities and provide competitive advantages. Expo 2020 is the perfect place to showcase how Slovenia became green, creative, and smart. In 2021, we celebrated 30 years of independence. During this period, we have reached high quality and safety of living, education, and provided access to highly efficient public services. Today, we are a member of all the most important global and European organizations and a trusted trading partner in the most powerful markets. We have just concluded a very successful second presidency of the Council of the European Union, for which I would like to thank Prime Minister Janez Janša and all of my colleagues in the government. And what Slovenia can offer that some other countries could not. Somehow we have managed to find the recipe to combine love for the nature and the strength to converge the knowledge and ideas into a benefit for the public good. That's why we are the world's first green tourist destination. That's why many people who have made Slovenia their second home say Slovenia is the piece of paradise on earth. The Expo Dubai 2020 serves as an excellent platform to promote such lessons. I believe so far we've made a great impression. Ladies and gentlemen, in 2016, on behalf of the Republic of Slovenia, when I signed an agreement to participate in Expo 2020, we had two main objectives in mind: economic trade and increasing the number of visitors to our tourist destinations. In doing so, I know we were successful. Together, we have opened the doors to new friendships and new opportunities. But our work is not done well, yet. That's why I'm pleased to honored to announce on this special day of culture for all Slovenians, the Slovenian Pavilion will remain at this site for the years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are proud to bring more Slovenia to Expo 2020. Please use our pavilion as an unique gateway or reference and source of information about our great country. And moreover, don't forget to visit Slovenia soon. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency. We are now pleased to share a cultural performance that celebrates Slovenia as a young, forward-looking, and creative European country. As today is also the day in which the greatest Slovenian poet and giant of European Romanticism, France Prešeren, is honored in Slovenia. The performance will begin with a few verses of the Slovenian national anthem which he penned. Also joining on stage this morning will be the vocal group Jazva, named the best vocal group in Europe in 2019. The accordion virtuoso Marko Hatlak, opera soloist Tajda Jovanovic, and the most renowned Slovenian folklore group, academic folklore group France Marolt. Here now, proudly representing the Republic of Slovenia, please welcome Isaac Hraten to the stage of nations.
Spoštovani gospe in gospodje, dragi prijatelji, danes v Sloveniji praznujemo Dan kulture. To je državni praznik in mi smo edina država na svetu, ki kulturo slavi na tak način. Spominjamo se našega največjega poeta, Franceta Prešerna, pesnika, ki je na začetku 19. stoletja slovenski jezik povzdignil na raven velikanov svetovne literature. Njemu spomin in čast kulturi kot najmočnejši vezi med narodi sveta boste zdaj slišali besedilo slovenske himne, ki jo je napisal France Prešeren. Živene vsi narodi, ki hrepenedo čaka dan, ko koder sonce hodi, prepiri sveta bo pregnan. Da rojak prost bo vsak, ne vrag, le sosed bo mejak. Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, today is the Day of Culture in Slovenia. This is a national holiday and we are the only country in the world who celebrates culture in this way. We are remembering our greatest poet, France Prešeren, who at the beginning of the 19th century raised the Slovenian language to the giants of world literature. In his memory and in honor of culture as the strongest bond between the nations of the world, You will now hear the Slovenian anthem written by France Prešeren. God's blessings on all nations, who long and work for that bright day, when o'er earth's habitations no war, no strife shall hold its sway, who long to see that all men free, nor more shall foes, but neighbors be. In zdaj na oder vabim izjemne slovenske glasbenike in plesalce, prosim. And now I invite to the stage outstanding Slovenian musicians and dancers. Welcome.
Da pača ne se zmudal, da pača ne se zmudal, la
Kakšno noč, ko pri štorkljah prespim, pod visečo meglo. Tiho sam med njimi stojim, le nogi nad vodo. Ko požarek pregrize temo, prebudimo se i sam. Močvirje novih želja bo odletelo v nebo. Namesto koga roža cveti, namesto koga sem jaz. Katera koža najbolj diši, čigava pisem rabi moj glas. Namesto koga katera koža najbolj diši. Čigava pisem rabi moj glas. La 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 dai dai, da 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 dai dai, da 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 dai dai, da 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 dai, da 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 dai 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 dai. Če pa trava nad mojo zemljo bo premogla kak cvet, enim tiho kapljo v oko, drugim dal bom med namesto koga roža cveti, namesto koga sem jaz. Katera koža najbolj diši, čigava pisem rabi moj glas. Katera koža najbolj diši, čigava pisem rabi moj glas. čez 3 zelene travnike, čez 3 zelene travnike, jaz hodim k svoj ljubci v vas.
Le tiho, tiho, ljubica, da tega ne zvejo še mamica, da tega ne zvejo še drugi ljudje, da ti si za moje srce. Nocoj